my God. This is stew pork. Stew pork, people. Seasoned from the day before. With garlic powder, onion powder, my fish seasoning. I love my fish seasoning. This is Maggi. It says fish, but I still use it. And this is my go-to Chinese 5-spice blend. Oh my God. And my smokehouse maple seasoning. Now, if I have burnt paprika, I'll also use it. And I'll put the pot on, let it hot. Put some oil in it. Not a lot, because I don't use a lot of oil. And then I will burn my sugar. So I use like less than a tablespoonful of sugar and wait until it starts to caramelize and for a little while, and I'll do a video on that. And then I'll put the pork in, turn the flame down and cover it and allow it to cook. I will have some hot water on the side to use to constantly, as it goes down, as the water dry out, I keep putting water in until I get the desired tenderness, softness that I am looking for. But my. This is good. What are we gonna have it with? You can decide. Tell me in the comment section what you would have this with. But this is good. I could not ask for more. So after I've gotten the desired softness, then I'll put some additional season, scallion, onion, bell pepper, sweet pepper, and thyme. So that's what I'll put additional on it. Turn down the flame some more and just let it simmer. So that is vegetable. You can put whatever vegetable you want. You can put cauliflower in it if you want. You can put broccoli if you want. And you can also put some pak choy. This is pak choy. Our Jamaican callaloo. You cook it with whatever you see. Oh my God. Woo! This is so good. Wow, look at that. Woo-hoo. This is good. Mighty God. Let's turn this down. I have to put a little more water in it. It looks like it's sticking to the bottom. Just a little more. Just a little more. Just a little more water. Woo-hoo. Yes. Just a little more. Yep. Just a little more. See that? Woo! Nice gravy. Yes, sirree. I can't wait to have this. Anyway, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and share. Ciao.